So what are some reasons patients might need the mechanical ventilator? There are a few, but you can think about them in the types of respiratory failure. So the first type of respiratory failure is hypoxic respiratory failure or not enough oxygen. The second type of respiratory failure, type 2 respiratory failure, is hypercapnic respiratory failure, not able to clear CO2. And the last one that we're worried about or that pertains to us is type 4 respiratory failure, which is due to cardiac insufficiency or shock. So these are some reasons that you can ultimately intubate a patient